my god, it smells so good, Richard. Because of the coconut, I guess. Mm. I think it's too sweet. You know, I don't really eat too sweet. No. It's good. It's not that sweet. It's really good. Hi, Fendi. Kain pa more. Ano to, mukbang? I'm doing mukbang. Wala ka bang pagkain dyan? Sana all may pagkain. You don't have foods there? I'll give you one. This is my favorite one. I bought this yesterday. It's this is my snack if ever I feel hungry. It's with oats, I think. It's with oats chocolate. So I don't need to eat junk foods or what. So if I feel I wanna eat something, I'll eat it. Yeah, and especially it's dark chocolate. Don't waste my time. Don't waste my time. I hate wasting my time. Okay. Thank you. So, oh, you're welcome. I bark like a dog. Why are you gonna bark like a dog? Are you crazy? Oh, there's another dog. Hello. Why I look so black here on tag? I don't understand, Richard. My skin looks so brown. What's going on? Or maybe because I went to the beach. But I'm not that brown now. Mr. Cool! Hi, love! How are you? Pangeran, hello. Juan, Justin, hi. Rapid. Uy, sino may alam dito paano mag-cash out dito? Sa, ano, paano mag-cash out? Walang no, walang PayPal, walang GCash. Kasi sa ibang app ko, pwedeng diretso sa PayPal. Hindi ako marunong. Paturo naman, sino may alam dito? Who knows how to cash out here on this app? May cash out na ako eh. Bilis eh. Users have completed diamond task. Sino yun? Ano yung notification lang? Or Juan. Hi, Juan. Did you eat na, Richard? Mag-end na ako dito mamaya. Busy na ako. Lalabas na ako. May taong sinasayang lang yung oras. Monzour! How are you, Monzour? Miguel, hi. Funny, hi. Funny Fox, hello. Dong. Miguel, how are you? Wala tayong magagawa. Maarte talaga. Kung maarte talaga, wala tayong magagawa. Hindi yun mababago. Simple guy. Wala tayong magagawa dyan. Ay, lobat na. My phone is gonna die here. On time. Richard, I'll be back, okay? That's the problem, you know? I think I need to buy another charger. Shopee. Jonathan, hi. Uy, ID, are you done eating? Uy, don't waste my time. I'm telling you, don't waste my time. I'm blocking someone now. I hate it. JJ, hi. Sino ba to? Naku ayoko ng mga fake. Ayoko ng fake Happy, Pam Slow, hi. Mike, how are you? Ang dami naman. Uy, I don't reply to everyone here. Randy, hello. Sa Tag. May nakakilala. Okay, if you're from Tag, then hi, hello. Randy! Hi, Randy. Thank you. How you been, Randy? Starbucks! Oh my god, my favorite coffee shop. Starbucks, hi! Ninja, hello. Ray, hi. Thailand name, hi. Oni, hi. Kevin Reno, hello. Decent chat, hello. What you doing now, Randy? Amazing. Uy, may nag-gift. Ang laki ng gift. Thank you. Are you okay? Are you asking me or are you saying you're from UK? I'm from Philippines. Kevin Reno. Randy, what you been doing, Randy? I'm not from UK. I look like an angel. Thank you. What if I wear red? I look evil, Randy. Huh? If I wear red color? Ano to? What's this? Receive 100 points even gifts. 2 from a couple with you. Rank 99. Okay. And what is that for? Antonio dot 1968. Hi. Oh yeah, don't reply to everyone on Instagram. I'm not a call center. I don't reply everyone unless it's important, unless you're my friend, unless I know you. I know that, BB. I know that. Why? What you doing now, BB? Big Bird, huh? It's weird to call someone Big Bird. How about Small Bird? BB, how are you, BB? Benji, hello. ID, hi. Why you don't have name? Romante, hi. Ay, Renante. Renante. I need to do something important today. It's a ID. I need to get an ID. But I need to see. Sinungaling din to si Block na ko. Dave, hi. What's your plan today, BP? I need to do so many things today. Um, and I need to go. I need to check the other schools. Wait lang. Block. Block sa mga taong ano, sinungaling. Nice! Hello! Bibi! Where are you? What you doing? You busy? I need to end here now because it's 15%. But I can still continue the other live. Ano pa naman to? 48%. But on tag, it's only 15, so I need to end my stream. Bibi, see you later, okay? Bibi, for real.